Wait a minute. We will fill this bag. First, we fill this bag. I'll be gone in a second, okay? Then I'll be back. He sent me a Happy Meal toy with these. My orange is coming out of I have a symbol. Like on Scooby-Doo. Like on a Scooby-Doo. I could have gone just like on a Shrek toy. Has a Scooby-Doo symbol on it. But it's actually a thing from Shrek. So is this say? So that's why I have the symbol on the box. Instead of the toys. I just don't want to ruin it. Honest trash. You know what it looks like on the bag? Let's get this open. What's the other fourth mistake crab show? It's a trick cap. Is it trick capsule? See? That's empty. That's a trick. One thing I want to do is open this up when the green one out. I don't want to open that box. I guess this was one. What the? I was waiting for this dude. How did he came? Awesome. Stop it. Stop the. The only thing I have to say, look at this dude. It gave me the Star Wars guy. As you don't know, let's get up close of him. He gave me a Star Wars guy. This is what he looks like on the front side, other side. Don't forget back. Go wire things. Has that symbol, like an Angry Birds. Has these two symbols, and have another one to open the mystery capsule. Let's open these trash cans. I know this is not check one. Halloween version. Got that thing looks like a fist right there. Is this one good on? Nope. Is one good on? Yes, that is good on. It looks like far away. Let me get this one. Front side. Back looks like noodles because he has noodles. Look at that fits thing on the spoon. Another one small. Let's do another one. Whoa, this guy looks on the paper. He looks very cute. He's still cute. Even has this badge. Here it is. Here what it looks like. I see what it looks like on there. Can I please see what it looks like? Can I please see what it looks like on there? What it looks like side, back.
Okay, gotta wrap it up.
How come?
I need you to.
And I have more in this bag. I'm gonna wrap up later. And here's the first ones, two. I'm gonna show them you all.
Wrap it up, buddy. Wrap it up, buddy. The video's getting too long. Alright, Jay. That's it.
Is autumn to get out of the tea.
Alright. Awesome video, Jay.
Here. Here's one. And here's one. Here's one.
Say goodbye to your friends on YouTube.
And here's one. And here's one. I just did, already did that one.
Jason,
Here's one.
say goodbye.
And here's this one and one more. Here's this one.
Okay.
Here's this one.
Tell YouTube goodbye.
This is gonna wrap up, people. This is you seen this thing. Don't forget these ones, the regular ones, and don't forget Battle Trashies. I'm gonna do different reviews later. Sometimes, one day, I might do a Scanner Swap Force video.